Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix geometry dash not opening. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Okay guys, if you are using Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. Just simply you have to make sure that you have strong connection with Wi-Fi. If you don't have, just simply you have to forget the network and try to rejoin it, and if you have other one, try that one, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, turn on airplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn it off. Once you have done this guys, after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply open settings again, tap on general. Now from here guys, you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct, and then go back from here, and after that guys, you have to make sure that you're not connected with VPN. Once you have done this guys, just simply you have to go to iPhone storage. From here guys, you have to locate for that app, and then you have to offload that app. Okay guys, let me show you here guys. Here is geometry dash. You have to offload the app and then reinstall it, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then at the end what you need to do guys, just simply you have to remove the app from your phone, then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it on again, and just simply reinstall the app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.